pour yourself a glass of Ribena and snuggle up to a loved one as we take a tour of the Arctic Explorer rooms at the Alton Towers Hotel, obviously located next to the popular Staffordshire theme park. This video was filmed over 2 stays, which is why in some of the shots the bed may appear on the other wall. It's not magic, it's editing, sorry guys. Your Arctic Explorer room is the next level up from a standard room, so it's in a slightly elevated price category. For that you do get a slightly nicer kind of furniture, obviously the theming, and you do get air conditioning, which can be beautiful in the summer because these hotels do get quite humid when it's hot. On the one day of the year it is hot in the UK. I'm not going to talk much more over the footage, I'm just going to let the images do the talking, but if you do find this video helpful or you're thinking of staying in Alton Towers Hotel, let me know in the comments below guys, and don't forget to drop the video a like as that really helps me out on YouTube. So enjoy the tour and I'll see you soon.